Hi everyone and welcome to Smart Culture Education. This is the place where we make learning simple, clear and engaging. If you're new here, don't forget to subscribe so you can join us on this journey of mastering maths, science and more.
The area of a triangle WXY is 75 centimeters squared. XY is 14.3 centimeters and angle WXY is 104 degrees. Using the formula A equals a half times AB times the sine of C, calculate the length of WX. Give your answer to 3 significant figures. Okay, so what I'm going to do first is I'm going to make a little sketch of the triangle that we are working. That will make everything else a lot easier. So here we have our triangle and then we are going to label it. So it's triangle WXY. And what I'm now going to do is I'm going to relabel it. I'm going to say, well, this is A, this is B, and this is C, which means this is side A, side C, and side B. So I'm relabeling it to ABC because that will be the formulas. That will be the letters that we use in the formula. Okay, so we know that angle WXY is equal to 104 degrees. So this angle over here is equal to 104 degrees. And then we also know that XY is equal to 14.3. So this side over here is 14.3 centimeters. So XY is 14.3 centimeters. So we've now added the A and B labels. Now remember, A and B are interchangeable in this question. If you have it the other way around, you will still get the same answer. Now we have the area formula. I'm going to rewrite it. Area is equal to a half multiplied by side A, multiplied by side B, multiplied by the sine of C. We know that the area is, let's quickly have a look here, 75 centimeters squared. That's given. So we can substitute this value into A space, and we know that A is just going to remain A because we don't know the value of that side. We have side B. We know that it's 14.3. And we also have angle C. We know that it's 104. So now we only have one unknown, and that is the letter A. So now we can rearrange this formula to make A the subject, and then we can solve for A. So what I'm going to do first is I'm going to take this fraction away. So I'm going to multiply this side by 2. A half times 2 is equal to 1. So this just becomes 1. Whatever I do on the one side, I have to do on the other side as well. So I have to multiply 75 by 2 as well. So the new equation will look like this. 150 equals A multiplied by 14.3 multiplied by the sine of 104 degrees. Okay, now I'm going to divide this side by 14.3. The 14.3 above the line and below the line will cancel out. Whatever I do on the one side, I have to do on the other side as well. So I have to divide this side by 14.3 as well. Now, what is 150 divided by 14.3? Let's have a look. 150 divided by 14.3 gives me 10.48951, and so it goes on. The number goes on and on and on. So that is equal to A multiplied by the sine of 104 degrees. Now I want to get A alone, so I'm going to divide by the sine of 104 degrees. The sine of 104 degrees above the line and below the line will cancel out. So I'm just left with A. Whatever I do on the one side, I have to do on the other side as well. So I have to divide this value by the sine of 104 degrees as well. And that leaves me with 10.8. So the length of WX is equal to 10.8 centimeters.
Thank you for watching today's video on Smart Culture Education. If you found it helpful, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel. And if you want to stay updated, tap the notification bell so you never miss our next lesson. See you in the next video.